Planning an international move from Mexico? Looking for a trusted moving company to help you relocate overseas? You've come to the right place. At 3 Movers, we specialize in international moving services, ensuring that your relocation is smooth and stress-free no matter where you're headed. Moving overseas can be daunting, but with the right company, it's easier than ever. Whether you're relocating household goods, office equipment, or even vehicles, 3 Movers has you covered. The cost of moving internationally from Mexico depends on factors like the size of your home, the distance, and the services you choose. For example, moving a 2-bedroom apartment is more affordable than relocating a large home. For smaller moves, we offer less than container load (LCL) services, allowing you to share container space and save on costs. For larger moves, full container load (FCL) gives you the entire container for your belongings. We handle moves to and from hundreds of global destinations, including the US, Europe, Asia, and beyond. No matter where you're going, we make sure your belongings get there safely. With our extensive network and experience in international shipping, you can trust 3 Movers to handle all your moving needs, whether you're shipping household goods, vehicles, or even heavy equipment. Ready to start your international move? Contact 3 Movers today for a free, personalized quote. We'll make sure your overseas relocation is as smooth as possible.